How to know you can fill your rooms of your rent-to-rent HMO even before making an offer and taking this property on. Because let's face it, you don't want to take on a property that you know you can't fill the rooms, or there's even a risk that you can't fill those rooms. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get straight into it, show you exactly what you need to be doing and how to do it to ensure you feel confident in filling your rooms. Right, gonna get straight into it. How do you know you can fill those rooms? Let me show you. Okay, SpareRoom. Here is one of my ads as an example. Okay, this is exactly how I want you to do your adverts for testing demand. Don't worry about pictures, just let's say you're advertising a room in Brighton. Look in Sheffield. Just type in Sheffield on SpareRoom. Look for similar pictures to this sort of spec or similar spec that the property is already in, if it's in good spec, or a spec that you're going to leave it in. It can't be obviously like mansion properties and you're renting a 2-bed flat. So use common sense, find pictures that the size of the bedrooms are the size of the bedrooms in the property you're looking to make an offer on. So pictures, very important. First picture, definitely make a bedroom in a finished product as well. And obviously make the pictures suitable for both genders. Okay, so add as many pictures as you can. You want bathrooms, kitchens, communal gardens if it has one, as much information in terms of pictures as possible. Don't just have a bedroom, a kitchen, another bedroom. Like, people, there's not enough interest. If you're viewing a car on eBay, you want to see as many pictures as possible. So do the same. Pictures sell everything. Basically, pause this YouTube video right now and scrape that description. This works. Do not change it. It's got everything, right? It covers your own ass as well, just the way it's worded. So luxury rooms. Price includes all bills, right? Very clear, because most tenants will message you saying, is bills included? Get straight to the point. Literally list it as it is. Message me to secure viewings. Add a call to action. Straight away, references and credit checks are mandatory. So as soon as they read that, they're going to read that. And if they know they've got bad credit history, there's no point wasting your time because you are going to check. Again, make it very clear. All bills are paid for by me. Cleaner for communal area every 2 weeks. Rooms are fully furnished. List with what you're including, You might change it up a little bit, pick it up a little bit. Nothing wrong with that. You don't know if the house you're including is with Virgin or super fast, insane speed. So just put unlimited free Wi-Fi. Don't put super fast or the 300 megabits per second one. Just put unlimited free Wi-Fi. Cleaners, you are going to provide a cleaner every 2 weeks just to keep the communal areas clean. They won't go into the bedrooms unless you ask them, like a quarterly review. Say to the cleaners every 3 months, can you go into every single bedroom, take pictures, 3 pictures of each room and send them to me over WhatsApp. That's how you do your inspections, by the way, and a few other details. These are a must. Honestly, this is what you must do. You must get all of that information from a tenant. So as soon as they message you, I'd recommend setting up a Google Doc. So if you open up Google, go onto the Google Drive, you can create a Google Doc with as many questions. So name, email address. Do you have previous 2 landlords? Are you employed? What's your annual salary? Can you do a month's deposit? Like, you can ask as many questions and you can create a link for that document. So when somebody messages you, you basically reply to them saying, hi, thanks for inquiring about this room. Please click the link below and fill out the application form for this room. Then they click that link. It will take them to your Google Doc. They'll fill out everything. And all you have to do is review that document. And so that's basically you qualifying potential tenants. Really good tactic. These things down the side are really important to get right as well. Okay, don't accept anything less than 6 months, and don't let the tenancy expire between the months of November and April, because if you have someone move out, those months are very hard to fill. The demand drops. Not many people are moving. Okay, so if you have a tenancy expiring in those months, you are going to struggle filling your rooms and you could have potential voids. Bills included, yes, because you are going to pay the bills. Furnished, yes, because your house should be furnished. You should be leaving it in this sort of spec. And obviously tick these if they apply. This bit is really important. Ages 18 to 30. I recommend you keeping it 18 to 30 because that covers the majority of students and working professionals. You don't want the age gap to be too big. That would put off potential tenants. So if you have like a 19-year-old girl inquiring about this room, but there's a 38-year-old man living there, it might put off the parents of the 19-year-old girl. So I would recommend keeping that 18 to 30. Smokers, yes, because everybody smokes outside now anyway. Definitely not to pets. flats, I highly recommend you tick no. This is a student HMO. It's one person per room in terms of the license. Any other working professional or student renting a room in your house might have allergies, so you need to basically have a firm policy of no. Occupation, working professionals and students, it doesn't matter as long as they pass referencing. And you do need to kind of match personality. You'll get the feel for that. Definitely not to couples, because on the HMO license it will state one person per room anyway. References, yes, must. Okay, that's it. So that is SpareRoom. How to do the actual advert is when you sign up to SpareRoom, it's free. When you list a property, you're going to be listing it as a property agent, not a live-in landlord, not a live-out landlord, a property agent. I recommend paying. You have to pay to bring in demand. If you list it for free, it's not free for potential tenants to message you. You'll get like 3 messages a week if you're lucky. If you pay, I think at the moment it's £139 for 12 months. You can list 3 properties a month, but only have 1 property live at any given time. So I recommend do that. Then get it live. You'll be shut down straight away, pretty much within a 24-hour period by SpareRoom. They'll want to know your website and your PRS number to make sure you are actually a property agent. Okay, really important. Once you include that information, your listing will go back live. You can start collecting potential demand for this property. Do not make an offer on a property without collecting at least 3 messages. I recommend going for 3 messages a day. That should fill you with massive confidence, especially if you set up your property like this. But the minimum rock bottom demand that you can fill these rooms on is 1 message per day for 3 consecutive days. Then on the 3rd day, make the offer. But they have to be decent leads. It can't be couples, okay? It can't be someone who doesn't fit the criteria. It needs to be solid potential tenants. And when you get 3 of those within 3 days, you make the offer. If you get 3 messages across 7 days, do not make the offer. There's not enough demand. You'll really struggle to fill the room. Demand does vary on time of year as well. So I think that covers everything from how to actually list a property on SpareRoom. So be sure to go and watch other videos. I've got loads of videos like this. Appreciate you guys being here. Thanks very much. Catch you on the next one.